Anything you tried to change or improve on for this year?
Yes, actually we've been working and some backhand volley, some second serve, because I mean the players around this backhand and their serve, so no second serve. So we've been spending a lot of time on backhand and second serves, and hopefully tomorrow what we're looking at, we have a lot of young kids. We have a lot of 6 and 7 year olds here. We're hoping to pick another 26 and 7 year olds to join us. Previously we take the guys 10 and 11, but they're too tough to handle at that age. So we're hoping to in say 4 or 5 years to fine tune these youngsters and turn them into champions. We have a very good turnout. I mean, there was a time when we had 100 over 100, but since COVID we've cut the age group down from 18 to just 14 and under, and 14 and below, and it's been wonderful. It's much more manageable.
My experience here, I love going here. Even last year I came here, and if I didn't do this, I was helping out with the kids, and the experience is just great here. Coach Errol is a great coach, and he works a lot in with the volleys, and he knows some great people that are volley great, and he helped me with that.
I don't think there are any major differences, but I think like the kids are like behaving a bit better this year, and I'm like having more fun. So yeah, it's been really nice this year.
Technically, what did you try to come here and work?
I think I really want to work on like my net game and my volleys and stuff like that, because it's not the best, but like I'm looking to like really improve it, and we've been doing it since Monday, and it's been getting somewhere.
It's a good learning experience, but the breeze is my only problem was the breeze.
Okay, and what have you learned that you think you can take on?
Well, for the past few days we have been practicing on the volleys, so I think that can help my.
It's amazing. Their training is amazing. Their volley is amazing. At the end of it, at halftime, we take breaks. We do matches after. It's very fun.
Okay, and have you added anything you think to your game?
Yes, it developed a lot in my backhand.
I've been improving my volley game, my forehand. It's really been insightful for me. I feel like I've already made some major developments in my game.